Hey, this is James with Alternative Finishes. Welcome to our shop. Today we have a 2024 Porsche 911 ST. Base price on this model is about $300,000. There's a few things that we need to fix before we do full body PPF with Xpel paint protection film. But let me show you what we're going to work on, and then we'll show you later the after, and you can see why there's value in protecting your car right out of the gate. So right on the hood, there's a lot of spotting, swirls, and scratches. But on the back of the car, they got some really heavy damage. It has some severe scratches all the way through the paint down to the metal. So what we're gonna do is we're going to wet sand, we're gonna touch this up, we're gonna block sand it back down, we're gonna polish it out, we're gonna redo that process over and over until we get it looking as good as we can, and then we'll PPF over the top of that. So here we are, completely finished now with our 2024 Porsche 911 ST. As you remember, it had those bad scratches all over the car. We paint corrected the whole thing, and now it's completely sealed up and covered with Xpel Ultimate Fusion Plus PPF. This car is protected now from ever getting those kind of scratches again. As an added bonus, we also ceramic coated the windows, all the exterior glass, and the faces of the wheels. So maintenance on this vehicle and washing it, keeping it clean is going to be a breeze. We appreciate you keeping up with us, and if you haven't yet done so, click the like and follow button so you can keep up with all the things we're doing here at Alternative Finishes.